When we started planning for our referendum, we knew it was important for us to tell the Bloomer story. A lot of times what happens when people hear you're going to go to referendum is they don't understand why you need the money. And unless you can tell a very clear picture, a clear story, they won't pass your referendum for you. You need community support. So when we decided we needed to go to a video production, we thought about how many young people we serve in our community. They're all connected to Facebook. They're all connected to the internet. They walk around with their mobile phones. They share data very easily. And our seniors use the newspaper. Well, if we only wanted to reach our seniors, then we have to use that medium. But we knew we needed multiple mediums, so we decided that it would be best for us to try to seek some way to electronically communicate what we needed to communicate. So I happened to be contacted by LifeTouch Studios, and they offered the service, and when we put the video together, we included people from our community, parents, students, our board members, our principal, a few teachers, and it all came together in a very lovely production that explained what our needs were. And that video got out, it was shared with our community, and we had a very successful referendum. And now we're in the middle of building a brand new elementary school. The video was helpful when we talked about the needs of the school because it was able to capture by picture, and pictures tell 1,000 words, what our needs exactly were. So we took pictures of the hallway, we took pictures of children being in the school, in their spaces. One of the things that happens when you put children and teachers together in the same place is they make whatever environment they have beautiful. It's the other things that need to be addressed. Overcrowding, unavailability of spaces, children learning in the hallways, lack of green space for children to play, inappropriate cafeteria spaces. We were able to capture all of those things, including outdoor safety, crossing the city streets, worrying about safe routes to school. All of those things were captured in that video, and it became a very powerful message. So using the pictures inside the school as well as outside the school and combining it with the messages that our parents and our teachers had to say really delivered a power punch.